Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Let's look at a question from Henry Park Primary School, 2019 Essay 1 paper. This is question number 16. The figure below shows a 3-meter wide flower garden. The outline of the flower garden is formed using two identical large semicircles, two identical small semicircles, and two straight lines. Part A of the question is find the perimeter of the flower garden. Part B, find the area of the flower garden. So let's look at this figure. We have one of the semicircles and the second semicircle here. These two form part of the perimeter, and two more smaller semicircles, and we have two 3-meter straight lines on either sides. All these put together form the perimeter of the figure. Now let's look at the figure. Let's find the radius of the smaller and the larger semicircles. The total length of the flower garden is given as 28 meters. And there are three 3-meter straight lines in between, one on either sides and one in between which crosses over. So those 3 meters, if we subtract from the 28 meters, we get 2 times the diameter of the smaller semicircle. So 19 meters is 2 times the diameter. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5 meters is the diameter of the smaller semicircle. So radius of the smaller semicircle is half of that, which is 4.75 meters. Now let's look at the larger semicircle. It is wider than the smaller semicircle by 3 meters on either sides, which means its radius is 3 meters more than that of the smaller semicircle. So the larger semicircle radius is 4.75 meters plus 3 meters, which is 7.75 meters. Now the perimeter formula is perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Here we have two semicircles which put together will form one full circle. So we need to find the circumference of one small circle and one large circle. The small circle perimeter is 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14. 3.14 is what is asked, is given as the pi value which is being asked to use in this question, times 4.75 is the radius of the smaller circle. So the answer is 29.83 meters. Similarly, the circumference of the larger circle is 2 pi r here is 7.75, which is answer is 48.67 meters. So the total perimeter of the figure is the smaller circumference plus the larger circumference plus 6 meters, because we have two 3-meter lines on either side of the garden. So those two 3 meters make 6 meters. So all together added up gives us 84.5 meters. That's the answer for part A of the question. Now let's come to find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Here, though we have two arcs of semicircles, put together they will form two full circles. So the bigger circle area is shaded and the smaller circle area is removed from that. That gives us the area of this figure. So the area of the larger circle is pi r square, which is pi times r, we already found out to be 7.75 meters times 7.75 meters, which gives us 188.6 meters square. Similarly, the area of the smaller circle is pi r square. R here is 4.75 meters. So the area of the smaller circle is 70.85 meters. So we need to subtract the smaller circle area from the larger circle area to get the area between the two circles which form as a band in this case. So the total area of the garden is 117.75 meters, which is the answer for part B of the question. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.